When I come out here, I mean, you can just feel yourself settling in. I think it's a relationship you have. I mean, this is Mother Earth. And I think there's a care that goes on when you're out in nature that just, you know, kind of a loving presence for me anyhow, that just settles you right down and says, you know, it's okay, it's okay. And I mean, I think that's what leads you to God. So when you're nature journaling, you just, I think first you just have to be here, be relaxed, and then observe. And then you get curious about why is that like that? Where did those flowers come? Wonder what kind of flowers they are. And then sometimes, you know, you sketch it out or you count it. You know, you look at this dragonfly and he has so many eyes that the way he sees the world, we can't possibly see it. I mean, look at this. It's kind of like a cathedral, isn't it? I mean, you know, you just kind of like observe what you see and you think, well, I wonder why there's that kind of blue stuff growing. And that's, I think it's lichen, and that helps break down the soil. You really have to be quiet to observe what's going on. You have to really just be still and quiet, and then things will come out to you. Birds, little insects. Spider webs are beautiful, especially in the morning when the sun shines on them. All you have to do is just be present, be open. You have to take it, you know, slowly. And what appeals to you, if it's just sitting on the earth. For me, it's water. Some people, it's air. Some people, it's a campfire. Which one is it for you?